Hello, welcome to Capsim Foundation 2024 Top 10 Winning Tips for Round 6. We always use this Top 10 Winning Tips for all the rounds, and you can win all the rounds. So I have shown you the R&D and marketing decision, and now we look at the production, right? The production. I show you now. For production, it's quite simple because we just calculate the sales forecast already, right? So just using the sales forecast here and deduct the inventory, and then we have the production plan here, right? And then we can check this one. We increase automation. 9 for low tech and 6 for high tech. We can check to make sure we have enough capacity for the next round. So we see that we have enough capacity for all the low tech and high tech, so we don't have to add new capacity, just update the automation. Let's update the automation here. That's decision for production. Yeah, the guy for production. And next we will check the decision for the finance. If you need the support, you can send the email here. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.